I have to scream and I'm really bored. There's nothing to do on me. There's nothing on TV. Like, what the heck is that? Who's that? Seriously, who is that? I don't know at all. Come on. And guy keeps on coming over here. See, there he is. Get out of my lawn! Jeez. People are just really weird these days. Nothing fun happens, but my parents won't let me go to Disney World because too much money to go there. I mean, come on, what the heck? It's like, I want to go there, Mom. It's really fun there. There's so many roller coasters to ride, especially that one moon thing. But I don't know. I don't know what to do at all. Don't know.